This is feedback for Dalal D on her WR1. Make sure you save in the correct file name. So your name of the file you save it as needs to be very specific, so make sure you fix that. Looking pretty good. Make sure you fix your margins. This one was way too long. It was like this or something. Make sure it's not that long. Also, when you see these little red squiggly lines, Word is trying to help you out. So just right click it and it'll give you suggestions on how you can fix these. And sometimes it's just as simple as a space being between the words, right? Even the blue ones are a correction as well. This one has too many spaces. So they help you. These little things help you with your paper. So use them, okay? So when you're typing and you're writing your paper, use those things. Things looking good here. Please make sure you delete and don't leave any spaces like that. I was confused here. Here's a good topic sentence, but it's talking about not paying attention to the road, and then you go into not following the rules. So I know one paragraph is about not following the rules and one is not paying attention to the road, but then I think you switched them. Okay, so that needs to be fixed. I like how you say the first way that people are not following the rules is. I think that's an excellent way to show people what you're going to write about. Again, quick fixes that you can use with Word. Use these Word features to help you. This is the second paragraph, and again, you need to delete the space and tab over. The bad way to make the driver not focus and see the road so clearly. And this is not a good topic sentence. I think this is the topic sentence that you wanted for the second paragraph. So I think you need to write a new one for this first paragraph, saying just people not following rules on the road, right? And then this one, again, and do like what you did here in this one. So you give your topic sentence. The second major effect of cause of car accidents is people not paying attention to the road. The first way that people are not paying attention to the road is bad weather, is due to bad weather, period. For example, then go into it. And keep on doing that for first reason, second reason, third reason, and then keep it going. All right, so make those changes, upload into week 5, and print it out and bring it on Thursday.